Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle for quick investment transfers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Zelle compatible bank account. Open your banking app on your mobile device. Navigate to the section labeled Transfer or Payments. Select the Zelle option, usually found in the Transfer menu. If you are using Zelle for the first time, follow the prompts to enroll. Enter your email address or mobile number linked to your Zelle account. Once enrolled, you can add your investment recipient. Choose Send Money or Pay, depending on your app's terminology. Input the recipient's email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you wish to transfer for your investment. Optionally, add a note specifying the purpose of the transfer. Double-check the recipient's information and the amount. Tap Review or Confirm to proceed with the transaction. You may receive a confirmation screen to verify the details. If everything looks correct, finalize the transaction. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your investment tracking platform to confirm receipt of funds. Zelle transactions are typically instantaneous, allowing for quick investment opportunities. Keep in mind there may be limits on transfer amounts depending on your bank. Ensure you keep a record of your transaction for future reference. That wraps up the steps for using Zelle for quick investment transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.